Okay, this is looking pretty good. Might tone down the stretch a little bit, um, just because it's not bouncing that hard. Also, you don't have the texture showing, and also there's no rotation, so we can take a look at that. Um, let's close this, and let's reopen the file. Um, so yeah, there's this, I believe it's this one. No, that's the move. Here's the rotate. Looks like you've got one keyframe here, but you didn't put one at the beginning. So you could, I'll do Shift E to keyframe the rotates, and then maybe by the end, it's gone around once. I have auto keyframe on. And then I'll double click on the timeline, right mouse click, tangents, linear. Then you get that rotation. That's a little bit more interesting. Yeah, well, then that looks pretty good. Um, on the realistic bounce, I like the texture on it. I think that's a nice touch. Um, the weird thing is that there's a way in which I think I think the fact that it's spinning in some of these and not moving forward is a little weird. I think I might have it not be spinning when it's on the bounces where it's not moving forward, and then maybe having it have a little bit of forward momentum too. So let's take a look at the my file. So let's take a look. Where'd you put? Did you put your keyframes on this thing, or they're meant to be on the move control, not the placement one? But it's not that big of a deal. Um, so let's take a look in the graph editor. And if I look at the translate X, I can see they don't move forward at all during these periods of times, and I might have it move forward a little bit. I'm just doing Shift and middle mouse drag, just so they're not perfectly. Let's do front view. Might be easier to see the rotation if I put wireframe on shaded. I don't have your texture. Um, and for these jump bounces that go almost straight up and down, I might change the rotation. So I'm just going to middle mouse drag. Well, that's actually. So to 27. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to middle mouse click on 27. So it's the same rotation position, and just rotate it a little bit. Um, and then now, but so just doing a little bit more. Why does that seem like it's not rotating it more? Just making sure that's keyframe. Oh yeah, I can see the rotation there. And then maybe this one doesn't bounce much, doesn't rotate as much too. So 36. So middle mouse click here, middle mouse click on 36, and then just have it rotate a little bit. And then obviously this will rotate a lot less now. So I think because it's spinning less during those bounces, I feel like it's more believable that it wouldn't move forward on those bounces. Anyways, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. That's Alt B, changes the background. But yeah, I think it's really good. I think you paid close attention to the reference and represented that well in the animation, so good work.